Hello and welcome to the MSTAR training session to change module display priority or make a module active or inactive. Let us see the steps for the same. Click on the MSTAR button and select the module System Administration. The name of the module appears on the main screen, which means that you are now working in the System Administration module. After this, click on the button Business Rules and select the screen Module Master. As you open the screen, it will display the grid with the serial number, module names, module priority and the module status. Module name is the list of all the modules available in the application. Module priority is the order of these modules appearing in the application, and module status is the current status whether the module is accessible or not. Active means the module is accessible, and inactive status means the module is not accessible by any user. To change the module display priority, click on the module under the column Module Name whose priority needs to be updated. Once you click on the module name, the details appears in the respective fields. Change the module priority as required and click on Save button. Since we have changed the module priority as the module priority of an existing module, it is giving us the message that duplicate priority is already available and it is associated to another module. Click OK on the same, and the data updation confirmation message is received. You will see that now the module for which we changed the priority appears as per the priority entered. If for two modules the priority is same, then they appear in alphabetical order. Now exit and let us check that the inventory module for which we changed the priority should appear before the purchase module and after the financials module. Exit from the screen and click on button MSTAR, and you will see that the priority of the module which was earlier below purchase has now changed. So going back to the System Administration module and selecting the screen again. Repeat the steps for any other module as required. Now let us see how to change the module status, that is, to make a module active or inactive for accessibility to all the users. Let us make the module SMS as inactive, which is currently active. So click on the row of the module and the details of the module appears in the respective screen. The module status currently displays its current status. Click on the box next to the module status and select the other status as required. We are selecting the inactive status. After selecting the status, click on button Save. Since it has a duplicate priority with some other module, it is giving us a message for duplicate priority. Click OK on the confirmation message, and the data updation confirmation message is received. Click OK on the same. You will now see that the SMS module has become inactive. Now exit from the screen and click on the MSTAR button. You will no more see the SMS module appearing in module list. Going back to our screen Module Master, you can repeat these steps for other modules to make them active or inactive. The module's priority status can be updated as required. Same priority can be given to different modules, in which case they will appear alphabetically. The active status of a module does not mean that it will be available to all the users. The users will be able to access a particular module based on the access rights and privileges available on his OMB card. Thank you for watching this video.